Welcome to my channel, Spotted Trend.
Comment allez-vous? How are you? Bien, good. Je m'appelle. My name is Oshante. Pleased to meet you. L'anglais, English, le français, French. Je suis, I am. Vous, you. Parler, to speak or to talk. Aimer, to love. To like, to love. Bonne journée. Have a good day. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Bonjour, monsieur. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien et vous? I am well, and you? Très bien, monsieur. Comment s'appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Megan, Grace Megan, et vous? Hello guys, I want to inspire other fellow Filipino people who are unable to pronounce French. This is the result of my own hard work and self-study in French. I did not go to school to study French.
Comment below with your thoughts.
French is an important language in the business world, particularly in industries such as fashion, luxury goods, hospitality, and international trade.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.